Have you ever noticed how the ocean's edge sometimes seems less dramatic, with the water not quite reaching its usual high mark, and not receding as far as it typically would? This phenomenon, where the sea appears to take a gentler, more subtle breath, tells a fascinating story about celestial mechanics. Neap tides achieve their characteristic small tidal range because the gravitational forces of the sun and moon are working against each other, rather than in concert. This opposition leads to a reduced difference between high and low tides, creating a calmer, less pronounced tidal cycle. The core mechanism behind this reduced tidal range lies in the alignment of the Earth, Moon, and Sun. While the Moon is the primary driver of Earth's tides due to its closer proximity, the Sun also exerts a significant gravitational pull. During a neap tide, the Sun and Moon are positioned at a 90-degree angle relative to Earth. This perpendicular alignment means that the Sun's gravitational force partially counteracts the Moon's gravitational pull on Earth's oceans, effectively drawing water away from areas where the Moon is creating a tidal bulge, and vice versa. This counteraction reduces the overall tidal bulge and ebb, resulting in less extreme high and low tides. To better understand or observe these effects, you can consult local tide charts. You will notice that during neap tides, the predicted high tides are not as high, and the low tides are not as low, compared to other times in the lunar cycle. These conditions typically occur twice a month, specifically during the first quarter and third quarter phases of the Moon, when it appears as a half-moon from Earth. This specific celestial geometry is sometimes referred to as quadrature. It is important to remember that while the Moon's tidal force is approximately twice that of the Sun's contribution is still substantial enough to noticeably dampen the tidal extremes when their gravitational vectors are oriented perpendicularly. This is in contrast to spring tides, where the Sun and Moon are aligned, and their forces combine to create the largest tidal ranges. Ultimately, neap tides are a clear and observable demonstration of how the precise interactions of celestial bodies, even from millions of miles away, subtly but powerfully influence Earth's waters, providing a period of relatively calm and less dramatic tidal oscillations.
If you love learning about water, like, subscribe, and keep exploring with us.